Hello, tutor and mates from the core language forum functions. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I really want to share a video regarding our tags 1 and 2, meaning part 1 and 2. So here we go. On part 1, I have answered a couple of questions regarding this part. So here I go with the first one. How do you compare the quotation from Wallace Shapley at the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of linguistics? And this is my answer sharing with you guys. When reading his quotation, really compare it with the idea that lots of people see linguistics like a pane of glass, meaning we're not conscious on the glass itself, but only of the ideas that pass through it, according to Wallace Shapley, 1994, page 38. So we just see superficial things. On part B, how do you think some people approach studying linguistics with apprehensiveness? Is this your case? Explain. So my answer goes like this. To my way of thinking, we see it in apprehensiveness due to the fact that most of the time we may know what linguistics is, but to put it into practice is really difficult because when we are asked to how to use it, we stumble over our words. And of course, sometimes I get confused to understand it's used properly. Sometimes maybe some people know what is, for example, a noun or a verb or an adjective, but when it comes to identifying into a sentence, they get confused. That's some things happens to me. So I really want to improve that part. This question C, is linguistics about correctness in any language use? Explain. And I answer something like this. Talking from my teaching experience, I will say yes. When it comes to teaching grammar rules, explaining comes to the right way. It's important to understand language in use, like linguistics, so that the student make fewer mistakes anytime they use the target language. By using those concepts properly, it's a hard task on a daily basis, though. So meaning the student can learn grammar the right way, but it is a little bit hard. But putting it into practice is the hard task in this aspect. Let's see. Question D. What are the names of the great contributors in the linguistic field? How will you label each of them? For example, Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics. These are my answers. So Ferdinand de Saussure, according to the example, is the father of modern linguistics. And Noam Chomsky, I label him as the linguistic revolutionary. And for M.A.K. Halliday, I labeled him as the creative methods and materials for literacy. Now in part 2, we need to create two complete sentences or our own. Now be careful not to be falling to plagiarism. So here goes my two sentences. First one is, although he studied hard for the exam, he couldn't pass the test. Now we're going to identify here the part of speech in the sentence. Although is a conjunction, he is a pronoun, studied is a verb in the past tense, hard is an adjective and an adverb, for is a preposition, that is a definite article, exam is a noun, he is a pronoun, couldn't is a verb, is a mobile verb in the negative form, pass is a verb, that is a definite article, and task is a noun. Now let's go to my other example. That is going to be down here. Now that you have finished your homework, you can go swimming. Now that you have finished your homework, you can go swimming. So the part of the speech goes like this. Noun is an adverb, homework is a noun, that's a pronoun, you is a pronoun, have is a verb, can is a verb, it's a modal verb, finish is a verb in the past, participle, go is a verb, your is an adjective, and swimming is a noun. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and bye bye.